The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Day date reference 26330ST is beautifully balanced, in proportions, in design, and in function. It's a piece that doesn't scream for attention, but the more time you spend with it, the more it rewards your eye and your wrist. It's quietly confident, refined in a way that feels deliberate rather than decorative. With its 39mm stainless steel case, the 26330 sits in what many consider the ideal Royal Oak size. The lines are sharp, the finish is unmistakably AP. Brushed surfaces with polished bevels, precisely executed. The proportions are near flawless, and that goes for the dial as well. The black Grande Tapisserie dial is a standout. It's subtle, textured, and highly legible, and above all, well-balanced. The day and date subdials are positioned symmetrically at 3 and 9 o'clock, which gives the watch a sense of calm and visual clarity. There's no crowding, no excess, just functional beauty. The case back is kept clean. Solid stainless steel with the Royal Oak logo engraved in bold, raised lettering. In a time where sapphire casebacks have become standard, this feels refreshingly restrained. It supports the overall design language of the watch, simple, focused, confident. Inside, the automatic caliber 2325/2810 delivers solid performance. It offers hours, minutes, day, and date, and runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour, with a power reserve of around 40 hours. It's not about showing off the movement. It's about reliability, quiet, mechanical precision beneath the surface. There's some subtle history behind this layout. The Royal Oak first gained a day-date complication in 1983, with the reference 5572, a watch collectors affectionately nicknamed the Owl. The nickname came from the two round subdials that gave the dial a wide-eyed expression. The original design proved popular, and AP evolved the concept over time, including the more complex moon-phase-equipped 5594 and eventually the reference 25572. These watches were produced in small numbers through the 80s and 90s, and most flew under the radar. Until now. In 2009, Audemars Piguet reintroduced the day-date layout in the 26330. It was never a mass-market reference. Production lasted less than 2 years, and availability was limited. But for collectors who appreciated the symmetry of the original Owl, it struck a chord. On the wrist, the 26330 wears effortlessly. Just over 10 millimeters thick, it slides under a cuff, but still carries that unmistakable flat presence that defines the Royal Oak. The integrated bracelet is, as ever, a masterpiece, brushed across its surfaces with polished bevels that catch the light just enough. It feels solid, balanced, and extremely well judged. There's nothing flashy here, just refinement. Discontinued and quietly fading from the market, the 26330ST is becoming a highly regarded piece among collectors. It marks a bridge between the early complications of the 1980s and the more statement-driven pieces of the modern AP lineup. But more than rarity or resale value, this watch stands out for its restraint, its balance, its quiet confidence. This isn't a loud watch. It doesn't try to impress. And that's exactly what makes it special.